Today we are celebrating the Independence Day of our country. We got freedom from the foreign rule since 1947 onwards. We all enjoy freedom in our country because freedom is an essential element for the great growth of the nation. We can judge a nation by seeing how far the people in their country enjoy the freedom. So we should not be slave to anything, not even to our own emotions and feelings. We should not be slave to race, culture, language, and color. We should be able to enjoy the full freedom in our country and also allow other people also to enjoy the full freedom in the country. So once more, I wish all of you a happy Independence Day.
As we are celebrating 75th Independence Day and commemorating our freedom fighters, I wish you all happy Independence Day. Dear students, it is our responsibility to uphold this freedom. We need to build a better future full of love and compassion for each other and to have a place where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. We must think of freedom not as the right to do what we please, but as the opportunity to do what is right. Today, as we celebrate the glory of our freedom, let us salute our nation. May my countrymen always enjoy freedom and my country may progress. May our flag always fly higher, reflecting the pride and happiness of its citizens. We pray that there may be peace, harmony, well-being, and prosperity in every part of our country.
I am going to speak a speech on topic Martyrs' Day of India. Jan 30 is being observed as the Martyrs' Day of India. It is exactly on that day when Gandhiji, the saint of the century, was shot dead. He is not only the vision of a more perfect world, he also has the courage to fully embrace.
I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I feel great pride to present this speech. This day is very important for all of us because on 15th August 1947 we got independence from the British.
As an Indian citizen, we should not consider this day for only hosting the flag and distributing sweets. The independence day of India should not be taken for granted, as people often forget the true meaning behind the celebration.
आज तिरंगा फहराता है अपनी पूरी शान से, हमें मिली आज़ादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से। आज़ादी के लिए हमारी लंबी चली लड़ाई थी, लाखों लोगों ने अपने प्राणों से कीमत बहुत बड़ी चुकाई थी। व्यापारी बनकर आए और छल से हम पर राज किया, हमको आपस में लड़वाने की नीति अपनाई थी। हमने अपना गौरव पाया अपने स्वाभिमान से, हमें आज़ादी मिली वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से। गांधी, तिलक, सुभाष, जवाहर का ये प्यारा देश है, जियो और जीने दो का सबको।
जिंदगी तो सिर्फ अपने दम पर जीती जाती है, लोगों के कंधों पर सिर्फ और सिर्फ जनाजे उठते हैं। इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
ये देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यारो, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना, ये देश है।
As you all know, today is Independence Day, 15th August. Today we got freedom because of Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev Rajguru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi. We all thank them to give a main role in freedom. Because of them, we are enjoying this day. Thank you.
शहीद हुए हैं उनकी सराया करो कुर्बानी। मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे